Hello, Troy, Champion Plumbing, Eagan, Minnesota. We are putting a water heater in at a Chick-fil-A restaurant. It's a big commercial water heater. It's 130,000 BTU, 80-gallon Ream Triton. It's a pretty awesome machine. I could get into the details, but just so you know, we aren't just doing residential water heaters. We take care of your commercial needs as well. So if you have an issue with your commercial water heating, give us a call at 651-362-2622 or look us up at championplumbing.net. Oh, sorry man, that was on video, sorry. Here's Matt going through the setup process. Again, if you'd like a free estimate on your water heater, you can give us a call at 651-362-2622, or you can look us up on the web at championplumbing.net. We do give free estimates for replacing your standard residential water heaters that 99% of you have in your basement over the phone. We would need the model number and serial number to get you going. That's just going to tell us what kind of water heater you have, if it's a power vent, gravity vent, gas, electric, and from there we can give you a really accurate number to replace it. So again, give us a call, 651-362-2622, or look us up at championplumbing.net. Thank you.